So this thing is leaning right over. Oh yeah, look at it go. Good, eh? There we go. The main goal here is to get my cable drum wrapped properly. Look at that. Hey. Look at the freaking things just leans right over. Let's get it swung over, eh? Bring it up just a little more. Ooh. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Okay, so I took off the freaking heavy hydraulic freaking breaker hammer. These things. You want to see this thing in action? Go on my YouTube channel, alright? Alright, it just smashes rocks to pieces. If you heard that clicking sound was this thing. And I don't like no clicking sound, so guaranteed that's gotta get upgraded. And I got something here for it. Right here, where we got. Oh yeah. $25 kilogram. Because it needs to spin easy. There's a lot of wires there. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Pretty cool though.